Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZENFONE 10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down. Click on Shortcut to prevent ringing and set up Vibrate if it's not already on. Then go back, scroll down again and select Vibration and Haptics located at the bottom. By tapping on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics, you can switch them off or on. If you decide to enable them, you can scroll down and adjust all of those haptic options. By tapping on this switcher next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually, you can enable or disable this option for your incoming calls. You can also adjust intensity of ring vibration by swiping left or right on this slider. Then after scrolling down, do exactly the same for notification vibration, alarm, and touch ones. You can also click on this switcher next to haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!